what happened in the global markets, the news overnight? Well, the odds of the US reeling under the recession over the next 12 months is now just 15% according to Goldman Sachs. The forecast lowered from the earlier 20%. Now, Goldman Sachs believes that the central bank is done hiking rates, with borrowing rates going from 0 to 5.5% over the last 18 months.
And Federal Reserve Governor Christopher Waller says that the recent round of strong economic data will buy Fed some time as it decides whether additional interest rate hikes are needed to control inflation. Last week's non-farm payroll data showed a growth of better than expected 187,000 jobs in the month of August. The biggest concern will continue to still be inflation, flags Waller.
And staying with the macros, Australia's central bank has kept interest rates steady for a third month, encouraging speculation of the tightening cycle was over as policymakers indicated they have firmer grip on prices. Although they have reiterated that further tightening may be still required to bring inflation to the heel.
Well, shifting focus away from macros and looking at tech now, the chip design firm ARM has said that tech giants, the likes of Apple, Alphabet, Nvidia and other big tech majors have expressed interest in buying up to $735 million shares. Whether or not the said investments will work out is yet to be known, but the companies mulling the same reflect on the importance of ARM as a separate entity.
And staying with ARM, the company has also announced it will make as much as $4.87 billion from what is the biggest US stock market listing this year, with primal focus onto institutional funds. Now, the company is aiming for a valuation of over $52 billion in its IPO.